Hello traders. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Neuron Net GOLD EA for MT5. This one's priced at 550 US dollars and focuses exclusively on gold, XAUUSD, or similar symbols. It's marketed as an AI-powered system using deep learning predictions instead of traditional indicators or grids. Let's go through the developer's claims and what my backtest actually revealed. But before we dive into all that, you can download the free Forex robots for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so according to the MQ5 page, let me just expand this so we can see it more clearly. Um, Neuron Net Code uses a combination of Python, deep learning, and MQ5 to predict XAUUSD price movements. Alright, so you can see it over here. At the start of the Asian session, it analyzes historical data and makes a directional forecast. If the prediction is bullish, bearish, or rather, if the position is bullish, it opens a buy, and if it's bearish, it opens a sell. So the EA is strictly directional, no hedging, no martingale, no grids, and no multiple orders. Exits are primarily driven by changes in the AI prediction, though you can also use stop loss, trailing stop, and break even. Default settings don't use fixed TP/SL, relying more on the model's evolving view. Okay, it runs on the daily time frame and emphasizes regular monthly database updates to keep the AI model current. Developer stresses is not spread or slippage sensitive, works on various account types, and can run alongside other gold EAs with proper magic numbers. Alright, so backtest claimed from 2010 to 2023 on every tick real data with recommended deposits starting at $300 to $500. Alright. So, what are actually the features? As we can see, key features include the AI prediction engine with ongoing database training, agent session timing, and auto lot sizing options like 0.01 per equity amount. There's a max lot per trade parameter for risk control, entry delay to handle wide spreads at session open, and auto magic number support. They highlight that it can resume trading after terminal restarts and includes trailing/break-even improvements. The pitch is a cleaner, prediction-based approach to gold trading that avoids risky recovery methods, more transparent risk profile focused on directional accuracy, and model updates. Alright, so we can see the producer and the developer. Right off the bat, you can see there's a clearing 600% profit, which he claims. We're actually going to look into that and see if it actually holds up. You can see how the equity curve looks over here. It starts off slowly and then it does this straight up almost a 45-degree angle line moving to the upside towards the right hand side of the graph. So let's actually compare that to my own personal backtest and see if it actually holds true. So I was opportune to carry out a backtest on gold XAUUSD on the daily time frame for a custom period of 1 year from 1st of April 2025 to 1st of April 2026. Over the period, my or rather my backtest was on a 10K account, and over the period, looking at the equity curve, it's been quite choppy, quite different from what we had on the website. A strong start followed by a long drawdown period through mid 2025 with multiple dips and recoveries ending modestly higher. Deposit loads shows fairly consistent but not extreme activity within a single position directional style. All right, so as for the stats, total net profits came in at 357.93, very modest return. Profit factor just 1.07, which is barely profitable. Gross profits 5,613 versus gross loss of 5,255. Balance drawdown was 18.61%. Alright, compared to the developers' long backtest claims and AI prediction hype, my results were underwhelming with prolonged losing periods. The thing is, AI models sound advanced, but in practice, they can struggle with regime changes in gold. Honestly, the features that matter most are keeping the database updated, using the recommended daily time frame and agent session timing, conservative loss sizing, and enabling trailing slash break even if you don't want to rely purely on predictions. The deep learning entry slash exit logic is central, but model maintenance is key. So, what are the nuances and risks? Gold is volatile. Wrong directional predictions can lead to full risk drawdowns since there's no grid recovery. Heavy dependence on monthly updates means performance can decay if you're not diligent. Live results often differ due to spreads at Asian Open, slippage, and changing correlations with macro events. Core fitting risks on the training data is real for any AI system. In practice, this means you need discipline with updates and risk management. So, who is it for? It's for experienced gold traders comfortable with directional AI systems, willing to maintain updates, and able to handle drawdown periods on the daily. It's good if you trust model based trading and focus only on XAUUSD. So, who should avoid it? Beginners, anyone wanting set and forgets without maintenance, risk averse traders, or those seeking high win rate scalpers with recovery logic. Alright, so overall, the Neuron Net Gold brings an interesting AI prediction approach without the usual gold EA dangers like grids. It shows limited edge in this test though. Test thoroughly on demo with your broker and stay on top of updates. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you want next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.